Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix unable to join Wi-Fi. The network is temporarily unavailable on your iPhone. If you're using any iPhone and you're having the issue that you're unable to join any Wi-Fi network, so let's see how can you fix the issue. So the very first you have to try to update your software. So sometime it might be that your software is not updated or you have any pending software update. So you might get these type issues, and once you updated your software, so it will almost fix your issue. Or if it doesn't work for you, so you can try to enable and disable your airplane mode. It will make a quick refresh into your network settings. So enable and disable your airplane mode up to 4 or 5 times, and after that your issue will be almost fixed. Or if this doesn't work for you, so you have to go back to general, then go for transfer reset iPhone, select reset. And here very first you have to double check the signal strength of your Wi-Fi network. So it might be that the signal strength is weak, so you will not be able to use your Wi-Fi. Or if you have strongest signal strength but you are unable to connect with, so you just have to reset your network settings. So if there will be any issue into your network settings, so tap on this reset option, so let reset network settings, and here you have to simply enter your passcode. And once you have entered your passcode, you'll get a reset network setting message pop up. You just have to select that option and all of your network settings will be reset. It will fix your issue, and after that you'll be able to use your Wi-Fi. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.